मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. Be a man. Don't cry like a girl. Or boys don't cry. So now you're crying in front of your mother or your wife. Suddenly there is a tag of being weak.
Weak.
It is absolutely
Exactly.
not.
Yes.
Dude, I'm sharing my feelings. I want to
Yeah.
cry.
So many issues out there in the press. I get confused a lot about what to address. So I'll take my pick one by one. Try to put in the hard work until the war is won. So much garbage floating around in this digital hell. I'm back with a friend to talk about men's mental health. Hi, this is Mehak Batra. Welcome back to my video. Today I have a friend who is an entrepreneur and a national basketball player. He's named Mr. Shivaji Chaudhary. I feel that he's one of the most mature person I've met by far. He lost his father when he was 7. He's admin of the page Vitiligo India. So I feel that he has talked about men's mental health issue in the most real perspective. I welcome Mr. Shivaji Chaudhary and I feel that talking about men's mental health issue and preventing it is not just a gender biased issue. I feel this is a family issue and it needs to be addressed because all the female counterparts are also associated with this issue. So let's start with the video.
The fact that Michael Jordan's and Will Smith's crying face has become a global meme goes on to show you that how big of a joke men's mental health is to this world.
Hi, Mac. How are you?
How are you? I am very well. How are you?
I'm pretty good. So, guys, if I talk about toxic masculinity, let's start with basics. Uh, the reason we are making this video is to make people aware. Yes, the word toxic is, of course, toxic, and it is generally taken as a negative thing or a negative topic. But this is not a negative topic. This is more about creating awareness about the things a lot of people go through. And today we have chosen to talk about men's mental health in particular. So, guys, I would love to be a part of this, and thank you so much, Mehak, that
Most welcome.
we collaborated on this, and I'm on it. I mean, I've been talking about this on my page as well, through different forms, and this is a lovely platform. I feel we'll be able to do something
Yeah.
about this, and I hope people understand and realize the kind of problems we have here.
So I'll get you familiarized with my concept. I think that women always need to ask men about mental health, but mental health being a taboo in our society, generally women tend to take a step back or feel hesitant about asking a few questions about man's mental health. And I feel that being a total stranger to you, I think you'll be more comfortable opening up to me and to my viewers as well. So I'll ask you a few basic questions, 5 questions, which I feel that every woman wants to ask a man, but they cannot. So
All right.
the first question which I feel is that how do you think the idea of toxic masculinity is affecting men's mental health in our society, especially in India?
So, guys, let me first tell you what toxic masculinity is all about. I'll give you very simple examples. What we usually hear or are told by friends, family, or general stuff. And let me tell you very casually, on top of everything, मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. Be a man. Don't cry like a girl. Or boys don't cry. So now, what we have done this is called conditioning. So this conditioning is done to you when you're a kid, and now suddenly you start to hold your tears back, you start to hold your feelings back, and this becomes your a part of your personality, part of your character. And moving on, slowly you get into college life, or when you're more of a teenager, you become on those principles. You become someone on those principles, and that can be very toxic at a very later stage. I mean, the reason I'm saying this is because when you're still a teenager or you're still a college goer, you don't realize these things.
Yeah, exactly.
The impact of these small phrases which I just mentioned, the effect of that is that you don't understand or you don't realize that there is a problem which took place at an early age to you.
Yeah.
And the sad part about this is that we take it in a very sporty way.
Yeah.
We feel, yeah, okay, so we accepted when somebody told me don't cry like a girl, or guys don't cry, or boys don't cry. So that basically meant that I need to hold myself back.
Yeah.
And when I'm holding myself back, that basically is showing that I am less expressive.
Yeah.
Haven't we all heard like men
Yes,
don't express much,
exactly. Yes,
right?
exactly. That's what we women complain basically to our counterparts. And we say, why don't you express much?
So,
Why don't
so
you say?
there is a part, yeah, there is a
Yeah.
part of that which has been conditioned, and it is not just that. I mean, so many times when you're with your friends, also, you're not talking
Yeah.
about this,
Yeah.
right? So the most important part about toxic masculinity is that you need to realize that there are a few things which could have been done differently
Mm.
if you were not told these things. You probably could do the
Exactly.
same thing, but with a different mental approach
Yes,
altogether.
absolutely.
Right. So there is a huge impact on the mental health
Mm.
through this. Because
Yes.
just imagine you're caged. The reason I'm saying the word caged is because you're told not to express, so you can't speak,
Yes.
or
Absolutely.
you speak less.
Yes.
Right. So there's a lot that goes into the mental health side of a man, because we can't cry in front of our kids. If
Yeah.
you're a father, so then, or if you're crying in front of your mother or your wife, suddenly there is a tag of being weak.
Weak.
It is absolutely
Exactly.
not.
Yes.
Dude, I'm sharing my feelings. I want to
Yeah.
cry,
Yeah.
or I want to vent, or I want to something. So you can't. I mean, what do you mean by I mean, men don't cry or boys don't cry? I want to cry.
Like I
That's
feel
an
that,
expression.
yeah, exactly. Mental health is as equivalent as important as physical health. Attributes like we take care of our dental
True.
health almost every 6 months, right? And we take care of our physical health. For example, you get a flu, you go get out and take a medicine, right? But mental
True.
health in India is not as acknowledged as the attribute of physical health, basically because I think it has no symptoms as such. You never can feel that the person is mentally depressed or is anxious or is feeling low. You just feel that ओ इसका तो नेचर ही ऐसा है हम ऐसे बोल देते हैं अरे यार ये तो परेशान रहता है इसका तो नेचर ही ऐसा है
Always tend to see things on the face value,
yeah
and then we
exactly
are very quick to judge. Yeah, he's reserved. No, man.
हाँ
There's a lot of
इंट्रोवर्ट है ये तो
conditioning that took place.
yeah exactly
I mean, it works it works with women as well. I mean, equally. But
yeah
the whole point is
absolutely
that
the
right. So
topic we're talking
there are
is about
certain
men's mental
conditions.
health
Yeah,
today yes
exactly.
I'm
So
sure many
yeah.
women out there would must be thinking कि यार हमारे बारे में क्यों नहीं बात कर रही है why are they only talking about men today but I think we should dedicate this section and this video only about the men of our society yeah
Thankfully.
finally
Hmm.
yes all right so what do you think like being a woman like if I have somebody in my life or if I have my father for example or my brother or people out there have their love affairs how do they acknowledge somebody their counterpart basically going through mental depression in the initial stages because you feel that if you understand somebody at the initial stages of depression or anxiousness and you can help them somehow right how do you understand that a person is mentally depressed in the initial stages.
See, I feel if you go by the textbook definition,
Mm.
depression is mostly related with sadness, loneliness, changed
Yes.
behavior, sulking. But what I personally feel is that apart from those things, you can't really identify depression in just one go,
You cannot. Like
right?
what happened
So
with
there is a
Sushant Singh
pattern.
Rajput. Yeah. Nobody in the world could judge that he was mentally depressed.
Oh, I was shocked
Nobody,
too, by the way. I was shocked too, yes.
everyone in this talk. And it took a toll on so many mental health, issues of mental health that people generally started to talk about it and to acknowledge that there's an issue, that depression is actually an issue in our society and it needs to be spoken about. And therefore, I wanted to make this video smart enough to talk about it because I haven't had any first-hand experience to it, right?
Wow, you
So
just called me smart indirectly. Thank you.
yeah, you're most welcome, sir. Yeah. So what do you? So should I like
So
wear a chashma to look more smart?
That's up to you.
No, it's all
Totally.
right.
You can give
I
your
look
geek
better.
looks.
I look better this way.
So, yeah, so like I said, I mean, the initial stage, you can't literally just pick point and, okay, this person has depression or something like that.
Yeah.
But at the same time, what I feel is that a lot of these topics or a lot of these thoughts
Hmm.
can be avoided or can translate into something else
Hmm.
by having proper communication channels.
Yeah. Absolutely.
By that I mean, so when you ask me about your better half or like, your counterpart for that matter, your family, your friends, when you're a kid, especially as you mentioned, initial stage, let me also take you back when you're a child.
Yeah.
So just
Absolutely.
imagine there's so many times kids don't speak up, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Kids don't speak up because
Yeah.
they're scared of their parents. They're
Something
scared.
happened in school, and yeah,
Yeah,
basically the
exactly.
very small things.
So
Yes.
true. So until unless a body, when I say a body, a family,
Yeah.
or your parents or your friends. So when a body has created a good communication system,
Hmm.
like you're absolutely open about how you actually feel.
Yeah.
By this, I also want to say, just imagine, I'll give you two situations on this. You're a parent, you're a mother. What would you like? Your child coming to you and crying his or her heart out to you and sharing some problem,
Yeah.
or they be like, "This is I'm fine,"
So
and
I think
you become a
that
proud mother, and you become a proud mother like "Mera beta to theek hai." I'm like,
strong है मेरा बेटा तो he can deal with his own issues. He
exactly,
can, yeah, exactly.
exactly.
Yeah, we heard this
So I
stuff
would
in normal lives as well. Yes, absolutely,
absolutely. So there you go. So
absolutely.
so there is a communication problem right there at a young age. So
True,
now just
true.
imagine the kind of egos and the friction we all have when we get older
I
and
think
older, and
the concept of male ego, or the concept of that, male are supposed to be superficial, or, males have a specific attitude or machoism, like we say,
the
कि
the
थोड़ा
alpha
macho
the
बन
alpha
गया है,
male, the
alpha
alpha
male.
male,
Yes, absolutely. So I think those
right?
films have basically brought up the concept of being man up, or being strong, and having a good build, and being, the,
The pride,
yeah,
the
the
pride.
pride, everything. Yes. So I think those things have eventually culminated to give this a bigger impact. Do you think so?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
This goes beyond just what we are speaking about. I mean, it is impacted. I mean, it's so common what we all see. Like, I'll give you. I'm a sportsman, right? So there you can, like, you're a leader. You're like, you're out there, and let's say you're the champion for this year. I play basketball, so like, let's say we won this year and whatever. You have that sense of pride. You have
Yeah.
that sense like, yes, I did something. I put in the hard work. I did this and did that. So that's a good thing. But at the same time, that is put into a particular sector or segment.
Yeah. Absolutely.
The problem starts when you put the same aggression somewhere else,
Yeah. So
right? So this aggression, when it gets into other fields,
yeah,
then there is a huge problem. Like
that's
until
where
unless
it
it's not
turns.
into like when you're not harming the other person,
Yeah.
till that time it's still fine,
I
right?
think
And
that
of course, not
therefore
not, not
all
self-harming
the,
either.
yeah, I'm sorry to cut you. Therefore, all the domestic violence cases and everything that's happening in India, apart from the actual problem of mental health, are somehow associated with the concept of mental health being ignored, right?
A lot of it, yes. A lot of it,
Yes.
of course, I would totally agree. A lot of that has to do with toxic
With,
masculinity. Yes, because I mean, again, so this happens a lot because there's so much of frustration and there's so much of like holding back, and then
holding back.
there's a boiling point, and like I said, the aggression should not go into these directions. The moment it's gone that direction, it's a sad place to be in.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
that needs to be talked about, that needs to be caught as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. Coming to my third question, Shivaji. As a man, what do you think we can do to help a man who is not willing to talk about mental health or depression, or, that he's feeling low? Like, it's difficult. Like we are talking about this, not everybody is going to come and like open up about their feelings of all of a sudden after hearing this video as well, because I think there has been an enough, awareness for mental health in the past as well. But how do you start acknowledging somebody, or how do you start telling somebody to open up in the first place? Because men don't generally, open up so easily. So how do you think we can help in that way?
See, I feel again, I will go back to a point where men needs to share, and sharing can only happen when they realize there is actual problem.
Actually, yes. The
Till the time,
realization
till
is
the time they
important.
feel, yeah. So realization is so important in this, because like the questions itself said, so many people don't realize and so many people don't talk about it. It is because they don't even know that there is a
So
problem.
yeah, they are yeah, exactly.
Right.
Absolutely.
So when you don't even know that there is a problem, then why would they even talk about it? They would, I mean, so the whole be a man concept is like, okay,
Yeah,
right. So,
absolutely.
and of course, that's why we relate men to like wars. I mean, of course, men, if we talk about history, that's how it was.
Yeah,
We
the
talk
men
about
were
aggression,
supposed
we
to
talk
go
about
hunting.
action
The men were
games.
supposed to go fight in the wars. The women were supposed to stay back and cook for them. Yeah, that's where it
Yeah, right.
began in the initial.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So the
yeah,
whole point goes there. I mean, I can't talk about the past, but I can talk about what's happening right now or how we can improve this. I mean, like I said, we need to, first of all, exposure is very important.
yes,
So this video is an exposure
yeah,
to a few of your followers, to a few of my followers, or
absolutely,
whoever is watching
absolutely,
this, right? So exposure is so important. Like just imagine the term toxic masculinity was probably coined in the 80s or the 90s only.
absolutely.
Right. So now, so this was probably happening for ages and generations, but just imagine if this is getting recognized or realized now.
Yeah,
Uh, so just imagine how slow the process is when it gets into the actual masses. So
absolutely.
coming back to it, first you need to give the right exposure. Like, boss, these are the things which are probably not right. These are the things you have to, or you should reflect back and see where you went wrong, or if these things happen, these can be a part of a pattern. And
Yeah, I
once they, and
understand.
I'm not kidding, there would be, yeah, there would be people who are like probably mature enough or like getting into that state, like, yeah man, I
Yeah,
went through this as
maybe
well.
I am. Yeah, exactly. So I understand that there can be a multitude of factors involved with depression and anxiety as well. Like, for example, it can be genetic as well. I'm from a
Yeah,
biology background, and I know that there are certain examples of genetics being involved in the process of mental depression. Also, the concept of depression is so vague and so generalized that it cannot be limited into a particular symptoms. It cannot be limited into a point
true,
wherein you can say that, oh, you experience this, that means you're depressed. You cannot say that, because nobody actually knows
true.
he or she is depressed unless they get into that situation and realize, oh my God, this is it. I am a depressed individual, right? So it's
It's like
very
abusing
important.
the word depression.
Depressed,
Anything you do,
exactly.
how's everything going? Nothing, man. I'm too depressed.
I'm too
I mean,
depressed. Parents are coming to me and they're asking that my child is just in sixth standard, and he's saying that, oh my God, मैं और नहीं पढ़ सकता, मुझे depression हो जाएगा. Depression को इतना
hmm,
lightly भी लोग misuse करने लगे. I'm not saying that it is not a topic that should be avoided, but it should not be a topic that people that young feel that just
yeah,
because they can't complete a chapter that means they're depressed. Depression is whole new another level of darkness, and that needs to be acknowledged. And people opening about their stories, and like Deepika Padukone, I'm sure you must know that she has talked about depression
true,
and
yeah,
everything so openly. And I feel that people should come up and say that they have been feeling low lately, and they should open up about their feelings, because opening up is the first step. I feel if you can open up, if you
yeah,
can say what you feel, I think you can go fine, right?
yeah, true.
All right. I know the next question is kind of vague and kind of a big taboo, because therapy in India, especially mental therapy, is not so, you know, so acknowledged. The concept of therapy still unknown to many people, and people still don't realize that it is actually a profession and it is actually good for you. It can actually help you move in a positive direction. But I feel that men in general also are very reluctant to go into therapy. Like if, for example, a friend of mine is depressed and I ask him to, why don't you go to therapy? He's like, no यार बड़ी महंगी है क्यों, इससे अच्छा तो मैं तेरे से बात कर लेता हूँ, इससे अच्छा तो मैं बात ही तो करनी है किसी और से कर लेता हूँ. So why do you think so?
Yeah. See, on a lighter note, people in India, I feel, don't go for therapy or any kind of counseling because we have so much of gyan. My
Yeah,
elders
exactly.
all
हर
the
कोई
time,
डॉक्टर बना
they
हुआ
are
है.
giving gyan. Everyone is giving gyan. Everyone's giving their wisdom as if, like, they've
Yeah,
whatever
yeah,
achieved something great in life. But,
yeah.
people are like,
Absolutely.
too much of gyan. I mean,
Yeah,
too
yeah,
much
yeah.
of it. Anywhere you go and you sit for 2 minutes and somebody's come like, oh, beta, what do you do? This and that. Oh, you should do this. I'm like, shut
Yeah.
up. So, okay. So coming to the point, yes, therapy and counseling are a few topics which I think this country is going to take some more time to accept that they need it,
Yeah.
because it gets to their personal ego. Well, I'm fine. I don't have a problem.
वही
You know,
एक्सेप्ट करने
so
में
that
बहुत
kind of
दिक्कत.
scene.
एक्सेप्टेंस इज द मेन प्रॉब्लम.
Exactly. I don't have a problem. Like this happened in the initial times of Corona as well, right?
Yeah.
I don't have Corona. I'm not going for a test. I mean, what will society think
I
of me?
came across
Similarly,
this very stupid video. I'm sure this is going to give a huge laugh. And there was this person, and people were saying, "Why don't you go inside, wear a mask, and कहता बादशाह आदमी हो, बादशाह आदमी को कोरोना नहीं होता." इसको सबसे
so
पहले
yeah,
होगा.
yeah,
So there
exactly.
are a
So
few
these kind
people in
of
India.
dialogues.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they take it in such a bad light
Light
that
way.
like
Light way. Yeah.
it's actually it's sad because that's the whole point, because until unless you don't accept, admit, realize that,
Acknowledge.
dude, there
Yeah.
are issues going on, you are not going to go there. I mean, your friend's example of ki mehenga, yeah, of course it can be expensive, it could be for free, I don't know, people are out there trying to help as well. But in this millennial world and the social media life, please go to a certified person, but just don't go to any
Absolutely. Absolutely.
right. So there are so
Yeah.
many mentors and coaches going on, like, guys,
Yeah.
there are
Absolutely.
people who have studied things and for a long time. If you ever want to go to some good people who have some qualifications, not
Absolutely.
someone who's just a motivator on Instagram posts. But yeah,
Absolutely. I think those were a few questions. Any last words of wisdom you would like to share for our men followers and men people who are watching this video? Also to our women followers, because I think they can help a few of their friends as well.
yeah. I mean, just not particularly for men. I mean, if I talk about, if I have a message for women to help men, is that be out there and be supportive.
Absolutely.
I know most of us are, right. We
Yeah.
most of our relationships, not just this boyfriend girlfriend kind of game, but friends in general,
Absolutely.
these are
Absolutely.
relationships as well. Any kind of bond you make, be supportive of your friends, be supportive of your relationship, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your family, and try to communicate as much as possible, because that's the whole thing, right? When you meet someone for the first time, you create a wall, right? And slowly you talk, and each day, and then you become
You
closer
sit
and
down with
closer.
one.
That's a good
Yes.
thing,
Yes.
right? So
Absolutely.
that's a good thing. So similarly, be open,
Yeah.
to be open to open, like, be ready to talk so that they can also talk about it. There
Yeah.
can be
Absolutely.
times,
You can
instead
always
of just,
try. I
yeah,
think you can always try to
absolutely
help the other person. Like I know I understand that helping a mentally disturbed person can also trigger some of the points which eventually can lead to more worsening of the situation. But you can always
true.
start with the basics. You can always start by understanding what's going on in the other person's mind. I know it will be
Yeah,
difficult to open up to them, but eventually, if you are there for support, if you're there to help the other person, I think it's not that difficult. Like communication is the key,
true,
right? Uh,
true. Yeah, and another thing, for for women, supporting men, is that be appreciative of that. Appreciate the things they do.
absolutely,
Most of
absolutely.
most of the time it is seen as if it's their responsibility. Like that's their job. No, man.
Yeah.
If
You should
if they
acknowledge
are
what
your
they're doing.
actual protectors,
Yeah.
if they are your actual protectors,
Yeah.
then dude,
Absolutely.
salute them. When I'm
Uh,
not literally salute them, but acknowledge the fact that there are a
Acknowledge.
lot of efforts. They also put things on the line for you
I
guys
think
as well. I mean,
it's
if they're the
equally
breadwinners, be supportive.
applicable.
I mean, if they're your protectors, supportive.
Yeah, it's equally applicable to both the genders. I think you should always respect your
True that.
counterpart. You should always acknowledge what the other
True
person
that.
is doing for you or your family. It's nothing. Nothing huge. You can always start with feeling of
Exactly.
gratitude.
Just don't take things for just don't take
Granted,
things
for
for
granted.
granted.
Yes,
Right?
absolutely. I think
Like
you should.
just because you're of this gender, then a few things are taken for granted. No,
Absolutely.
don't do that.
No, no, no. Yes.
And for men, I would like to say that um, you go through things, then we are conditioned to not say about it, not to
Hmm.
share about it, and then there'll be a time when these thoughts get stored into you, and guys, it will get heavy.
It will.
This
It will.
entire storage is going to get heavy, and
Hmm.
when this becomes heavy, it comes out in different forms, and that
Absolutely.
is really toxic if it is not put in the right space.
Yeah.
So why store? Instead, share.
Yes,
Talk about it. Just
absolutely.
your boys, friends, and whoever is sitting together. Just
You
don't
make
roast
yourself
each other's ass,
comfortable in a
man.
group wherever you feel comfortable talking
Right?
about it. You should always go and open up to
Don't.
them.
So when somebody is crying, somebody's sad, don't say, dude, stop
Oh
crying. No,
yeah,
instead,
rumors.
listen out.
Exactly.
I mean, be
Somebody,
there for
sometimes
them.
all you want is the other person to hear. You don't want unsolicited opinions, or you don't want
True that.
comments that you just want somebody to be there and listen to you,
Yeah,
basically, right? Yeah.
exactly. And just don't be so casual. I mean, that is why your friend is not able to speak to you about it. If like,
Yeah.
just imagine you have a very good friend who's going through a lot of stuff, has never
Yeah.
mentioned it to you, and
Absolutely.
somebody else, a third person, comes and tells you you're his best friend or her best friend. You're not able
That's
to.
fine.
You don't even know what he or she is going through.
Absolutely.
That's sad friendship right there,
That's fine. Yeah. Yeah.
right?
I think
What would be your take on um, telling women to men, and your
I
take
think
on
I
this?
think the three things matter the most. First is gratitude. You can always be thankful. Like you said, you should always appreciate and be thankful for the other person. Second is respect. Unless the person, or for example, man is being respected, he won't feel the weakness of being judged or be referred to as being an alpha male or being macho. Enough. You should just respect the other person and acknowledge what he's doing for you. And the third thing I feel is love. I think I always talk about in all my videos that there's a lack of love and kindness in our world, and how much you spread it,
Compassion
it's
as well, yeah.
like compassion is very important, and you should always, try and be positive and be loving and supportive to the other person. And I understand it can be heavy for women also as well, because women go through a lot. Sometimes they also don't tend to share.
Absolutely.
And that is whole another topic and maybe a whole another video where I'll talk about it. But
Oh yes,
I feel,
that should
yeah,
be a
that would
video.
be,
That has to
I
be a
hope so.
video as well.
If this goes huge, I think we'll talk about that too. I would love to welcome you
Oh
again.
hell yes.
Yes.
And
Uh,
I don't know if we have done enough justice for this video
we
as
can
well.
never do it,
But yeah, I
surely. I
mean, this
don't
is
think
yeah, exactly,
we can
right.
never do enough
Yeah,
justice, because
exactly.
this is a huge topic. What we have talked about is just a mere drop in the ocean. And all
True.
we can feel is that if we hope to change anyone's mental health, and we can help to acknowledge that feeling
A
low or being
perspective of the
depressed.
entire society.
Exactly. And also the parents who are listening to this video, I think that
Yeah, please, parents,
administering,
please,
yeah,
please.
administering your child with that thoughts of toxic masculinity from a very small age is also the big issue that eventually leads them to committing suicide and doing things that they won't want their child to do, right? So always
Yeah,
try and
yeah.
develop better values, better, thinking, better masculinity perspectives in your child. And I think that's it. You can, do wonders with.
True.
Yeah, I think we have covered most of it. I am very thankful and I appreciate you coming here, giving your time to me. and I know that I was late while this video was about to shoot, and I'm very sorry for that. But I think,
That's okay.
yeah, I'll compensate that for you someday else. Thank you, Shivaji, for coming here and talking your views.
Thank you, Meg. Thank
And
you so much.
yeah, it was a
I
pleasure
was so
talking to
glad
you.
that you picked up that topic, and I'm so thankful that you picked up that topic. I'm not kidding.
I am equally thankful for you to come here because I know I was not qualified or good enough to talk about it, and I think you did a
I mean,
wonderful
I don't
job.
have any certificates, but then I have experiences, and I was just
Yeah,
talking
yeah.
based on that.
It's all cool. Thank you, Shivaji, and I hope you all liked the video as well. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up, like, share, comment, and
Absolutely, guys.
also subscribe to his channel as well because he is doing a fabulous job in the field of Vitiligo India. He's also an entrepreneur who has started a foundation called BHK, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's a
BHK,
startup,
and
BHK, yes.
yeah, you can all follow him there and know a lot more about his life because he is a globetrotter, and I'm sure you love all his photos and videos. And thank you, Shivaji. It was a pleasure.
Enough, Mehak, enough.
वो कहेंगे जान जान के हमारे बारे में बात करे, पहले बोला होगा एक दूसरे की तारीफ करनी है.
Yes,
हाँ यार,
हमने
तूने
ज्यादा
मेरी
कर दी.
तारीफ नहीं करी यार, तूने मेरी तारीफ नहीं करी, थोड़ी सी तारीफ कर दे.
मैं मन नहीं कर रहा मेरा क्योंकि तू लेट आई थी आज.
यार थोड़ी सी कर दे यार.
No, but seriously, she made this. We connected because she had made a really, really informative and a good video on vitiligo, and
Thank you.
that's where we connected. I loved the content, and I have appreciated her work already, and I think this another topic is something like she has touched upon, and I think she'll be doing a lot more like this.
I hope so.
I feel she's doing fabulous work, man. I also feel that these kind of videos, when is probably going, viral and things like that. It's very helpful. It's basically, I would call this exposure, which is so
Absolutely.
important.
That's what I
This
intend
is
to do
exposure.
always. Always.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Bye, guys. I hope we did justice to this topic.
Cheers.
And we are always subject to criticism. You can all comment down below and let us know if we missed out on anything or any stories you would like to share. That would be lovely. Thank
यार
you.
मैं गालियां मत पढ़वाना बस यार
नहीं
कमेंट्स
यार,
में
गाली नहीं
प्लीज.
बढ़ाऊंगी, मुझे खुद डर लगता है. इसलिए मैं कोई ऐसी वैसी वीडियो नहीं बनाती, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
काढ़ा पी रहा हूँ यार कोरोना वायरस के चक्कर में.
अरे अच्छी यार, अच्छी.
सो यार मैं तू गजब लेट करती है यार.
क्यों, क्या हो गया?
तेरे को लेट नहीं करना चाहिए था.
सॉरी यार, मैं
बारिश हो रही थी बढ़िया. I wanted to go have some beers with my friends. Oh hello, beer is healthy too.
It's fine. Beer biceps. Beer तो कहीं पे बना दो. Beer biceps. देख, अभी ब्लॉक करेगा
बहुत
मेरे को.
लेम था ये बहुत.
Never know.
बस पीछे एक गली का कुत्ता भौंक रहा है, उसको संभाल ले पहले. सैटरडे नाइट या संडे को लॉन्च मार देते हैं.
सैटरडे नहीं, परसों ही मार देंगे. हाँ, सैटरडे है ना परसों.
अबे ओ पागल. परसों सैटरडे ही तो है. क्या करना चाह रही तू?
ऐसे कुछ नहीं, फनी था.